Hattie. I work in the communications team at the RHS. Usually my summer is spent on the show, so I don't really have time for my own garden, but this year, because of lockdown, I've actually been able to get outside and make my garden look beautiful, and I've really enjoyed it, and I found it really positive for my mental health and well-being during this challenging year. I would now class myself as a new gardener, and I have some fantastic Christmas gift ideas for the new gardener in your life. No Fear Gardening was a really great resource for me when I first started. It's got tips on everything from soil health to how to plant a tree. I found the chapter on pots and bulbs particularly useful as I introduced loads of different pots because I wanted lots of colour in my garden. Another great gift is RHS membership. It gives you access to all of the RHS gardens around the country where you can get lots of inspiration. It also gives you access to our free advisory service. So any question you have, however big or small, you can email or call in and our lovely advisors will help and answer all your gardening queries. Lastly, I'd really recommend a ticket to one of our RHS shows. My favourite has to be Hampton Court Palace Garden Festival, especially for a new gardener, as it's a really relaxed atmosphere. There's loads of inspiration on display and you can pick up so many amazing plants from all of our nurseries there, and there's lots of talks you can listen to too. I have really loved gardening this year, and I really recommend any of these gifts for the new gardener in your life.